Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Dyson brand vacuum cleaner and it's giving you an E6 error on the display and you're not sure what's going on and how to fix it. We're going to talk about that now. So this is real simple. So the E6 error is an error when the control board is not able to properly communicate with the battery. So the battery is going to send a signal telling how much charge is left in it, and if it can't communicate properly, it will give you this E6 error. So the first thing to do if you're getting this is to just take the battery out of the vacuum, leave it out for 30 seconds to a minute, and then put it back in and see if that doesn't fix the problem. The next thing to do is to just charge it. Make sure you've got it fully charged, and just don't mess with it and let it charge for several hours until it gets fully charged, and see if that doesn't get rid of the error. And then the next thing to do after that would be, if you're still getting this error, you might have a malfunctioning battery, and you should just replace the battery. So hopefully by doing one of these three things, you'll be able to get this problem fixed. But anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.